Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. So let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Cancer. So we'll be picking few cards for your general energies, guys. These are for your general energy, and we'll be picking one card for your relationship or love energy. This is for your love energy, guys, and we'll be picking one card from the angel deck for your angel guidance message at last, guys. So let's turn the cards now. Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles in reverse, guys. Cancers, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are a person who loves to help others. So in any situation, people come to you for moral support or some help in your work situation or in this relationship. You are a really compassionate person, a really warm hearted person who just goes out of the way to comfort people, to support people, and you care for those people who are there in your life, guys. It may be friends, family, your person. So they see you as a very loving person, guys. That is the energy with these cards. And also in your life, you are moving towards a very positive result bearing phase of your life, guys. Whatever you were working for, all those efforts, whatever you were putting in, so you are going to reap those rewards. So things are going to manifest just like the way you expected, guys. Your hard works are whatever hard work and efforts that you are put in, all those results are going to come. It is going to be up to your expectations. So things are going in a very positive way in your relationship or in your work situation, guys. All those projects or collaborations or business expansions, whatever you were planning for, that may come into being, guys. Maybe in some areas you may find some minor delays or obstacles, but overall I see here a very positive energy here, guys, with these cards. So let us see what is coming for your relationship. The Sun in reverse. So with this card, Cancers, the energy is that, guys, in this relationship you share that understanding, love and affection, guys, and every relationship has its own drawbacks. Maybe there are some minor struggles in your relationship, and you are really struggling to get that understanding, maybe for some of you all. But this is a worthy relationship. You feel that you can work on it to get that understanding with this person, though it may not be what to say, out of the world experience with this person you are in love with, but you share that mutual love and affection in this relationship, guys. That attraction and intimacy is there. So you may find ways to overcome those areas of conflict, whatever confusions you see, and you are moving with a positive outlook, guys. So you are working with this person, trying to bring in that understanding. So that is what I see here. You are confident that you can make this relationship work. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the angels guidance for you all today, Cancers. Seek within. Such an apt card for you all Cancers. So these cards do not work in the reverse, guys. So we have to read it straight. So the angels guidance for your Cancer. So we were talking about some stress or confusion, struggles. So all that comes from the way we are conditioned and the experiences we go through in our life. So it is all based on our mind. So when we change the way we perceive things, when we see our situation from a different perspective, we will see the truth of that particular situation, guys. So the angels are guiding us to see that inner truth in any situation. So in order to do that, we have to change our perception, guys. Sorry, guys, perception, whatever, different viewpoint. So when we do that, we will see the truth and we will get a better understanding of our situation, and automatically it will help us to see the solution. So that is the reading here, Cancers. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonated, please like and comment. I'll be giving daily readings. So thank you. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Cancers.